This decadent, creamy roasted garlic butter prawn linguine is a true taste of southern Italy, where seafood is a cherished part of the cuisine. This recipe is a must-try, so here's how to make it. First up, add the garlic heads into the roasting dish and drizzle a little Napolina olive oil over the top. Then roast in the oven for around 40 minutes until the garlic can be squeezed out easily into a bowl. Then add the olive oil and mash together until you form a paste. You'll only need 2 teaspoons of garlic paste for this recipe, so pop the rest into a jar and save it for later. Next, add the butter to a large pan, followed by the garlic paste, chopped parsley, salt and pepper to your liking, and the chili flakes. Then fry gently to infuse all the flavors. Next, toss in the prawns and cook for around 3 minutes. Then add in the lemon juice, lemon zest, and double cream. Then mix together well. Lastly, add in the cooked Napolina Linguine and fold together gently in the decadent sauce. Then serve up into 2 bowls, finishing with some extra chopped parsley, and enjoy this showstopper recipe using our not so humble ingredients.